Signature missing equal to legal risk. In any hospital documentation, if any signature is missing, then it's a legal risk. How it's a legal risk? If it is not signed, then it is not done. If any hospital document is not signed, then it is equal to not done. It's stating that you have not done. Example, if we'll see, if the consent is not signed by the patient or the doctor, then the consent is incomplete and consent has not taken. In the court, it will prove that without consent you have done the surgery. Or if you have during admission, if you have not taken the consent from the patient, admission consent, then also it is illegal admission. Patient is not consented for the admission, you have forcefully admitted the patient in the hospital. For any procedure, for any if restraint, while you are giving the restraint, also the consent is properly, it needs to be signed. If the signature is not there in the consent, then patient is not agreed for the restraint and you are forcefully restrained the patient. It's stating that anything, if it is not signed, then it is not done. Example, if you will take for the healthcare workers, if initial assessment not signed by the doctors and nurses, then initial assessment has not taken from the patient. If the patient is not signed the initial assessment sheet, then it is stating that patient has not given the initial assessment to the doctor and nurses. If any medication chart is not signed by the nurses, not verified by the clinical pharmacist, then it is stating that the medication chart has not followed and medication has not administered to the patient. And patient can apply in the court legally, they can go and they can apply in the court, they can case against the hospital and doctors. So signature is important. Missing signature leads to the medical legal cases, NABH non-conformity, and the loss of trust. In NABH also one objective element is there if the signature missing signatures. So lot of objective elements related to the missing signature where the consent has not taken, the document is not signed. So lot of NABH non-conformities you will get, and it will lead to the medical legal cases also, and the community trust also will come down in the hospital. Thank you for, if you like the video, then please like it, subscribe the channel for the more videos on the quality in healthcare.